Welcome to Business Legal Lifecycle TV, the live TV show all about the legal aspects of your business to help educate you on complex legal terms in an easy to understand manner, to help understand why you need to do certain things in your business from a legal point of view, and to help you develop a plan for the future. Our mission at Business Legal Lifecycle is to help empower all small to medium-sized businesses around the world to get access to legal advice so that they can help build their communities and make the world a better place. Did you know that any business owner is on average 7 months away from losing everything? That is the average time it takes from a successful business to fold when an aspect of their business is not set up correctly. Have you ever wanted to get legal advice but didn't understand what was going on? Do you feel like there is a divide between lawyers and their clients? Then this TV show is for you. It is all about empowering you and your business with the knowledge and tools to ensure that this doesn't happen to you. Business Legal Lifecycle TV delivers a twice-weekly show focusing on the legal aspects of your business. At lunchtime on Mondays, we present Fast Fix Monday, a quick 5 to 10 minute show that will give you some actionable steps to consider for the week for your business. And at lunchtime on Wednesdays, we present our in-depth show of between 30 minutes and an hour, where we go through complicated legal aspects of your business in a simple to understand, plain English manner. And whether that is through educational pieces or interviews with experts in their fields.
Afternoon everyone, and welcome to Business Legal Lifecycle TV. Today is Monday, so it's Fast Fix Monday here at the show. This is where we go through a topic relatively quickly, provide our three sort of top things that happen in the area, or top five, whatever it might be. Today we're talking about our three top misconceptions when it comes to copyright. So we'll touch on that. Firstly, I'd like to introduce Jeremy to our listeners and our viewers, who is joining us together with myself, as always. So, Jeremy, say hello to the listeners.
Hi, everyone. Hope you get something out of today's episode and you're having a great day.
And that was a very convoluted and lengthy introduction, Jeremy. I apologise for that.
It's all good.
All right. So, three top misconceptions about copyright. Do you want to kick off with the first one?
Yeah, sure. Thanks, Craig. So the first one is if I change more than 10% of the words or 10% of an image, I'm not infringing copyright. The question, this comes up quite a bit. And the answer is you probably still are. So there's no magic number of words, images, or changes that you can make to something that will stop you from being in breach of copyright. Copyright doesn't just protect the identical copy, it also protects the copying of part of the work, so anything more than an insubstantial part or making an adaptation. Adaptations such as translation or screenplays that might change all of the words in a work would still be a breach of copyright if done without permission. Now, that might seem a very technical way of looking at it, and it is, because it isn't an easy concept to understand, and it's actually something that really goes by the feel of the actual change that you make. So if you're not sure, make sure that you get some advice from a lawyer or a copyright or intellectual property expert to see whether or not they think that what you've done is actually, a substantial or insubstantial change. Craig, number two.
Yep. So do I need to register my copyright in order to protect it? The answer to that is no. Copyright automatically exists as soon as you create the work. Now, there are some circumstances where the copyright in something you create will not belong to you. For example, works that you make as an employee doing your job normally belongs to the employer and not the employee. So that's one circumstance where it won't apply. It's always a good idea, obviously, to put some indication of how you want your copyright to be observed. So the C symbol for all rights reserved, or if it's an open license, if you'd like others to share your work. So important to indicate how the copyright is to work. So answer to the question is no, but in some circumstances you won't actually have the copyright in that work. So that was number two. Jeremy, do you want to finish up with the third misconception?
Absolutely. Thanks, Craig. So the third one, if there's no copyright notice, it's not covered by copyright. So copyright automatically applies to the written or artistic works from the moment they're created. You don't have to do anything to obtain copyright. The copyright notice, so the little C plus the name of the copyright owner and the year, is an internationally recognised signifier that a work is protected by copyright that you can put in your work, but it's not necessary for copyright protection. So we actually talked about this in our education show last week, that you don't need to put it on there, but you might want to put it on there just to signify to other people that you do take your copyright protection seriously and that they should be wary before they go trying to copy your works. So Craig, that's the top 3 misconceptions about copyright.
Excellent. So that's it for Fast Fix Monday for today. We'll be back again on Wednesday for our longer form show regarding Phase 5 intellectual property. If you've got any questions or want to make any comments about anything that we discussed during any of the shows, please let us know. Make a comment on Facebook or wherever else you might be viewing or listening to our show. We really welcome any feedback or any questions or comments, whatever it might be, regarding the show. So thanks for joining us. As I said, we'll be back again on Wednesday, and we look forward to you joining us then. Thanks, everyone. Goodbye.
Thanks, everyone. See you Wednesday.